Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have added many lines here. I have removed the old ones. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD first. Let's do the complete analysis, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Okay, so before we proceed, I would like to talk about the chart of DXY US dollar. And as we all know that DXY US dollar has a huge impact on the Forex market, and it has a correlation with the GBP as well. Whenever dollar goes up, GBP goes down. Whenever dollar goes down, GBP usually goes up. And right now we can see that dollar is trying to go up again. If you have watched my previous video, the video I uploaded on last Saturday, you know it very well that I was talking about a good reversal on the US dollar, because dollar was just at the support. And yes, we also got the reversal on the US dollar, and there was also selling on the GBP USD, Euro USD, as dollar became very strong. Okay. And right now you can see that after reaching this resistance level, US dollar went down for a while, consolidated, and right now it is trying to go up again. And if you see here, then you can see that the last traded price was 92.64. This was the last traded price of US dollar. But the thing we need to focus here is that we have a resistance at this level on 92.78. We have a resistance at 92.78 level. So on Monday after the market opening, if dollar starts going up from here, then definitely dollar will be facing resistance at this particular level. And if dollar reverses from this resistance again, then we will see some good buying on the chart of GBP USD. Okay, and just keep in mind this is a resistance on the chart of DXY US dollar, and here we have a support on the chart of US dollar. That's it. Okay, so let's get back to the chart of GBP USD now. So if you look at the overall trend of the market here, then we do not get a proper picture, clear picture about the trend of GBP USD, because we can clearly see that it is a sideways market. And as we all know, in sideways market we do not have a proper trend. It means that number of buyers are equal to the number of sellers. Okay, and if we look at the present trend also, then we can see that a market was in uptrend, but if we just focus on this particular portion of the market, then also we get the same answer. This is a sideways market. GBP USD is in sideways right now. Means that number of buyers and sellers are almost equal to each other. Okay, and you can see that GBP USD last closed at 1.3824. This is the last traded price of GBP USD. Okay, so let's talk about the levels here, important levels here. First and foremost, I would like to talk about the line that we have above. This is the line, or this is a level at the top, which is the resistance for the market. And my dear friends, if you do not have these lines on your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw these lines, because they will be playing a good role on the GBP USD, as well as they are very important to understand the market better, to analyze the market better. Okay, so this is the resistance for the market, and you can see that when market was in uptrend, strong uptrend, market failed to cross this level. Again, market has failed to cross this level. So this level has been acting as a very strong resistance for the market right now. So this level is very important. 1.3880. Okay, 1.3880. This is the level that is, and that is an important resistance for the market. Clear? So on the downside we have a support, and the support is 1.3780. Okay, 1.3780 is a support, but if you look at the chart here, then you don't feel convinced about the importance of this support level, because this support level belongs to the weekly chart. Okay, the time frame of the big boys. See, this is a support from the weekly chart, and as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the institutional traders, and this is the main reason we also need to focus on consider the resistance and support from the weekly chart. And you can see that it is trying to take support here, and market has just closed above the weekly chart. Therefore, 1.3780 is also an important support for the market. Okay. So we have a support at the top at what was the level? 1.3880. This is the important resistance for the market. This line at the top, and this is the resistance for this is the support for the market from the weekly chart. Okay, and apart from this, we can see that I have also drawn another line here. Okay. 1.3750. This level is also important because market has been testing this level, and this is a actually 50% retracement level. Okay, this is a 50% retracement level, and buyers are also present in this level. If you want to see, then I can draw a Fibonacci level here, and you can see that this is a level from the 50% retracement level from the Fibonacci chart. So this level is also an important. What I'm saying is that in case there is a sudden selling pressure on the market, and if you see market crossing this level, then do not short the market right away, because buyers are also present in this level of 1.3750. So do not short the market blindly. This is an important support as well. So you have got the idea about the important levels in the market. Yeah. This is the resistance, this is a support, and this is also a support. So we have got one resistance and two support levels. Clear? So what should be a strategy for Monday then? As you can see that market is trading in the middle here. The market is just trading in the middle here. So if you buy here, okay, your stop loss would be here, and this will be your take profit target. So your risk to reward ratio does not match. So if you short the market also here, if you short the market here, your stop loss would be here, and this will be your take profit target. Again, your risk to reward ratio does not match. Therefore, my dear friend, do not trade in the middle. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So if you trade in the middle, you will be compromising with the trading discipline, the risk to reward ratio. So which is not a good thing. So wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to go up. So wait for the market to go up. So if market goes up from here, then definitely market will be facing resistance at this level again. So if market reverses, or if you find market struggling near the resistance, then you'll get a shorting opportunity at this level. So this level, this resistance is your first trading opportunity. This resistance. So on the other hand, if market goes down or comes down, then just observe the price and the market at this level, 1.3780 level. So if you find market bouncing from the support level, then you can go for a buy. How you'll get the confirmation? You'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern, a bullish engulfing pattern, or price rejection from below. On the other hand, if market crosses also this level of 1.3780, do not short the market, because as I have mentioned, there is also buyers present in this level at the 50% retracement level of the GBP USD. So there is a good possibility of market bouncing from 1.3750 level. So short the market here if market reverses, and go for a buy here if market reverses, or buy here. So these are the three trading opportunities on the chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. Clear? And my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities, best forex pairs that are in good spot to trade with you. If you are interested, then just visit the Pro Trader section on my website, and you'll get all the necessary information. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood where you need to trade, where you need to click on the buy and sell button. So that's it. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday again. Bye bye.